Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a pick card reading on what do people love about you. Alright, so I also want to add that I'm open for personal readings and chakra cleansings. If you wish to book a reading or a cleansing with me, message me an email, which is written in the description box down below. Alright, so getting back onto your reading, I picked out 4 piles for you today. For the first pile we have the rose quartz crystal, for the second pile we have the clear quartz crystal, for the third pile we have the blue stone, for the fourth pile we have the white stone. So choose whichever pile or crystal you feel drawn to the most, and I'll see you in the readings. Alright, hey guys, those of you who chose pile 1, the rose quartz crystal, this is your reading. Okay, so what do people love about you? Let's find out. We have the 8 of wands as your overall energy. So it's pretty obvious that people really love the way you communicate, the way you express your opinion, that you stand up for yourself, you're always there for others, there for your friends. So they just love your nature, they love your personalities, what I'm seeing, and you're a really good observer. This is like the overall deck energy, like the bottom of the deck energy. So, and you also have the Knight of Swords. So you guys are really fast moving people. You don't settle, you don't like take breaks, you're just someone who takes action when needed, and it might come off as cold and a little insensitive, but they know that you guys are just, you know, really level-headed, and you guys are really ambitious. Okay, so people really love that. People find you to be an inspiration. With this Page of Swords, they definitely see you as someone who's like really aware about your surroundings, really aware about your pros and cons in the in your process, in your situation. So many people are unaware of what's happening around them, so it's really hard for them to make a decision or, you know, just act rationally. So you guys are really rational personalities is what I'm seeing. People really love that. So, and you guys are also really good at decision making. Okay, like, I don't know, you just are like at the fork of the road and you never get confused is what I'm seeing. You guys are not confused personalities. Many people are like confused as to what they should do, but you guys are really settled. You guys have like a goal and you guys just follow it with all your heart. You never give up. Okay, it's like what I'm getting. So just a second. We have the 8 of Pentacles. So people also love your hardworking nature, your hardworking attitude. You never, like I just said, you never give up. You're always like, you know, in this positive energy that you'll keep going even though the circumstances are not like to your favor. You still keep going is what I'm seeing, and people really love that. Okay, people love that. And we have the King of Wands as your like bottom of the deck energy. So definitely, like, with this Page of Pentacles, people also see that you guys are really adventurous. You guys are really good at taking risks. I mean, you guys like take care of things, take care of negative situations. Okay, like it's like there's nothing that you can't like handle is what I'm seeing. That's what people think and people love about you. Okay, so people also love your social media. It's like aesthetically pleasing to other people. Okay, many people will stalk you on social media. You might have a lot of secret admirers. Okay, but you're definitely someone who's like really like you adjust in your surroundings. You don't like hold back. You get, you know, you get like, you just accept the thing that it is. You just don't like dream about what could happen, what should have happened. You just move on with the current like situation. Many people actually are unable to do that, which is why they lose much of their precious time. But you guys are just amazing people. You guys have this personality that you can just move on with like this willpower, because you have this willpower, this strong willpower, which is why you can move on really easily from a certain situation is what people love about you. Because many people actually stay in la la land, but you guys are really real. Okay, you guys are really real personalities, and you guys are honest too. Okay, people find you to be really intelligent, smart, okay, and really level-headed. Did I just say that? Yeah. Okay, so, and you're someone who brings like many new things to the table, like, you know, your friends like to the circle basically. So yeah, I mean, like, people love talking to you is what I'm seeing. People love getting more knowledge out of you because they also learn many things from you. Okay, and you're also ready to learn new things. It's like you don't have an ego problem that many people do, and people really appreciate that you're so down to earth. You are really humble. You're a real personality. You never like fake your actions or your emotions. Okay, so people really like that. So okay, and you wear your hearts on your sleeves. For some of you guys, just take whatever resonates, because this is just a general reading, like I just said. Okay, and you guys, are really popular in your society. Many people like desire to have you by their side. Okay, is what I'm seeing. Many people want you. You have a lot of secret admirers. People find you to be really attractive, handsome, beautiful, take it however it goes, and someone who's like really determined, and they love that. Okay, just a second. People also find you to be really cute. Okay, they really like your abundant personality, your abundant like perspective. Okay, that you want to achieve like something big in life. You're not scared of telling this to others because you are confident in your own energy, in your own goals, which is why you say it out loud. Like many people dream of big things, but they never reveal it until they actually do it, but you reveal it beforehand. It's like you're just giving up a spoiler that you're gonna be like this, you're gonna be a businessman or a businesswoman, or you're gonna be like really on a really high position, and we have contract over here. So yeah, again, like you are a really fair person. Okay, people really like that you're just really fair, and you see everyone as your own like equal. Okay, never like you never just compare people to you. You're just really like positive, and you're really honest, and people feel really attached to you. Okay, people like you a lot is what I'm seeing. You're like the center of attention for some of you guys. People like talk about you a lot, and we have walking away. People find it to be really abundant. Some of you guys have it going on with you. Okay, like maybe some of you guys are getting to the money bags, or you're already abundant. People like to have you around. Basically, you're so down to earth, you're rich, and on top of that, you're really attractive. So many people want to be with you is what I'm seeing. And I feel like some of you guys are getting out of a relationship, or it's just that you are walking away from something toxic, which is really inspiring to others. People really like your attitude is what I'm seeing. Okay, just a second. We have play music. So some of you guys might be musicians, or you like to play some musical instruments, sorry, or you like to sing. Okay, so many people love your voice. Okay, many people love your voice. And if you like play some instruments, musical instruments, they really like that. We have reward. So yeah, people see you as someone who deserves respect, who deserves some sort of like a reward. Okay, and we have sweetness. People love your sweetness. Okay, they see you as like someone who can take care of others. You can be fair with others, not like biased. They're not biased at all when it comes to others. Okay, when it comes to making when it comes to like making a decision. Okay, so wow, amazing. So many people have like positive thoughts about you. You're like in a good eye. So just a second. We have repurpose, and we have solace. So many of you guys like work alone. Some of you guys like your individuality. People love your individuality is what I'm seeing, and you guys never give up. Like I just said, this is like the death card. Sorry, this is like my death card in the deck. Okay, just a second. Some of you guys might love cats, because we have cats in both the cards over here. So some of you guys are like cat lovers over here. So just a second, we get another one. Yeah, I'm getting the solitude vibe from you guys. Okay, we have rebirth over here. Okay, rebirth. So definitely like you guys are just you guys just don't give up. Okay, you guys never give up. You guys are always there to like fulfill your purpose, fulfill your dreams, and you guys have gone through a lot of shit, and people see that. Okay, and it's affected your confidence, but you still are holding on. You're still like hoping for the best, which is like really inspiring for other people. Okay, and with this card over here, like wow, just look at the holographic effect. Oh my god, I'm gonna just a second. I know why I always talk about these cards, but these cards are just breathtaking for some reason. Oh my god. So yeah, mind me. So yeah, I mean seriously, like You guys have been feeling really low nowadays. Okay, it's like everything is dark and nothing is gonna happen, but I'm definitely telling you that some really positive things are entering your life. So just think positive, and you guys are doing it. All right, people see that you are, like, you know, still holding on, and you guys are trying to do the best for yourselves, and you guys have this inspiration building up again in yourselves, which is like really inspiring for others, really motivational. Okay, you guys are changing, you guys are transforming, you guys are transforming is the word. Yes, you guys are transforming, you guys are blooming. Okay, is what I'm seeing. So that's just amazing, right? Alright, so yeah, I guess this is all that I have for you guys today. I hope it resonated. If it didn't resonate, feel free to check out the other parts in this reading or check out more videos on my channel. So love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye. Hey beautiful souls. So those of you guys who chose the clear quartz crystal, basically pile 2, so this is your reading. Okay, so we have the Two of Swords over here. So people find you to be really indecisive in some cases, sometimes really like someone who's like enjoying your spirituality. Sorry, not spirituality, I don't know, some of you guys might be interested in spirituality, but your individuality. Okay, and people really love the way you look is what I'm seeing. People, you know, see you as someone who's like really really peaceful, really like really calm, but sometimes you might come off as like someone who's like cold, basically, because you guys are really private personalities, and people find that a little weird. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm just getting this energy. Some, you know, people think that you guys are anxious, you guys are nervous. Okay, you guys are nervous personalities is what people think. Okay, and they find this nervousness to be cute. Okay, so we have the King of Wands. So definitely, like, people, like I just said, people find it to be someone who works alone, and people really like that actually, because many people work in groups, people believe in teamwork, but you're someone who believes in individual work, which is why people get motivated to work alone. You're like some sort of like inspiration. Okay, similar energy to like pile 1 a little bit. Okay, so Nine of Swords, definitely like you guys have gone through a lot of anxiety or depression for some of you guys, but yeah, you guys are blocking people out is what I'm seeing. You guys are isolating yourselves for your own good. Okay, because maybe in the past you blindly trusted people, and people just stabbed you in the back for some of you guys. So now you guys are just trying to like gain this, like we have the Fool over here. So definitely you guys are trying to adjust with yourselves, like trying to adjust with the surroundings and be good on yourselves. Okay, you're not trying to gain anyone's help, anyone's guidance. You're trying to guide yourselves, okay, on your own. So yeah, people really like that, but sometimes you might feel lonely is what I'm seeing. People notice that too, that you guys hate it when you're alone, but people really like your individuality. Sorry, oh my god, what am I saying? So yeah, I mean, like, people love your strong personality, people like your individuality. Like I just said, that's like the whole energy of your reading. So people definitely want to get to know you better. They want to take a leap of faith and be friends with you is what I'm seeing. Okay, I see that you have friends, but like not that many friends. So people definitely want to get to know you better because they know that you guys are like good personalities, and they can gain a lot from you, and like you can gain a lot from them too. So they want to get to know you better, basically. Okay, just a second, let me just get some more cards. We have the Page of Pentacles and the Knight of Swords. This is so weird. Okay, like why the hell did they come out? Like this is the same like sort of reading that came out in pile 1. So some of you guys are watching this, some of you guys from pile 1 came here. Okay, people definitely want to work with you. People want to get to know you better because they definitely see the potential in you. Okay, they see the potential of you being this King of Wands, regardless of your gender. They see that you guys can be really successful, and they want to help you to get there. Okay, they want to help you to succeed is what I'm seeing. So definitely I'm seeing that you guys might be distant people. Like I just said, you guys are distant from others. You guys keep your own privacy. You hate it when someone disturbs you. Okay, you guys are running. I feel like you guys are not accepting something over here. You guys are running away from like some sort of truth or something. You guys work alone again. You guys are soul searching. You guys are finding your own peace and solace is what I'm seeing. Okay, and because you were stabbed in the back, that's why you don't believe in teamwork anymore. For some of you guys, that's the situation. Okay, but you need others to help you in some sort of cases, okay? Because it's important to be like in touch with other people, right? So you can know about the latest like news or the latest like things happening around in your society. So definitely you shouldn't like cut off people like that. Just, you know, talk to someone like through work at least. So yeah, just a second. Okay, let's get some oracle cards. This is more like what do people think about you than what do people love about you. We have the temple path, okay? So people definitely see you walking to your success. We have yin and yang. Oh my god, some people are like, you know, crushing on you, okay? Definitely I was feeling that. Some people are really attracted to you. People find you to be really attractive, handsome, or beautiful. Take it however it goes. So definitely like some of them like want to marry you, like some of them are obsessed with you. Wow, okay. So yeah, I mean, people see you gaining victory in your lives, gaining that status, okay, gaining that abundance, welcoming those happy days in your lives again. So people are happy for you. People are definitely happy for you is what I'm seeing, and want to be there with you to celebrate it, okay? But we have the broken heart over here, so definitely something happened. People definitely see that you are heartbroken over something. You guys are going through something, maybe a loss or something, okay? Maybe some of you guys made an indecision or someone else made an indecision, which is why, you know, you feel left out. You felt left out, sorry. You felt left out and you were broken hearted basically. So we have deceit. Yeah, deceitful people coming in the way to like, which is why you guys lost hope in people for some of you guys, okay? You guys are like introverts over here is what I'm seeing, but you guys are really level-headed people. You guys are really ambitious people, so that's like really good. Yeah, but you should just, you know, if you feel like, you know, I'm definitely getting this energy that for some of you guys, only for some of you guys, that some people might think, you know, might gossip about you because you guys are so mysterious. People don't know much about you, yet you're so successful. People still don't know about you that much, so they are envious. They envy you. They're jealous of your like success, of your upcoming abundance, okay? So they just want to like disrupt your positive energies. When I'm seeing some toxic people revolving around you, so just be careful, okay? So let's just, you know, get some more cards. We have love, okay? So wow, people find you to be someone who's like really loving, really nurturing, really caring, but you are like closed. You have closed off your heart to others. You don't believe others anymore. For some of you guys are opening up your heart. You are like gaining that, you are believing in people again. You are like trusting others again. But for some of you guys are still closed. You haven't gained any sort of like belief that people won't hurt you anymore, okay? So you guys are still closed off. You guys are still in your own like shell basically. We have sleep, so people think that you work really hard and you don't get enough sleep. So, or this might also mean that people find you to be someone who's like really honest and someone who's like really calm and nurturing, someone who's like really comfortable to be around with. So people see that those people who are close to you are very lucky people. Sorry, oh my god, yeah, very lucky people. So you're someone who's like really honest, okay? You never fake your emotions. So really similar energy to pile one. Some of you guys came here from pile one, definitely. Okay, we have healing. So you guys are healing personalities. Definitely people see you as someone who's like really healing, really nurturing. We have healthful eating, so some of you guys are going through some transformation. We have a miracle happening card over here, so definitely like something is happening with you guys. Wow, I mean, you guys are just shining over there. Wow, just wow, okay? We have Calypso. All right, just a second, let me get some more. You guys went on a diet. You guys are working out. You guys are just doing something, and people are so proud of you. People find you to be an inspiration. We have Virgo energy. So some people who are gossiping, oh my god, gossiping about you might be Virgos, or maybe you're a Virgo, or you have Virgo placements in your chart. Just take it however it goes. So sorry guys, I don't know what the hell is wrong with me today, so I know it's annoying. So just a second, let's just get another card. Okay. We have this card over here, right? This beautiful card. So, okay, just a second. Let me just tune into this energy over here. So people definitely like look up to you is what I'm seeing. Like I said, people love your individuality. People love that you work alone, and it's like really motivating. Okay. Just be careful with your actions, because you guys are going into this, temple path. Something big is gonna happen, something really successful. You're gonna receive a lot of success, but you should be really cautious with whom you're addressing or who you're working with. Just be extra cautious, okay? So people see you as a gem, okay? Like someone who's like literally really different from others. You're like really unique. People like that uniqueness of yours, what I'm seeing, okay? So yeah, again, you guys are really balanced and like calm people, okay? And you are really considerate about other people who you care about, okay, is what I'm seeing. So, and you're someone who's like really fair, right? You are really fair. And again, like you have lost weight. For some of you guys, you actually transformed your body or something, or you just like took off some really big burden off of your shoulders. You did something and you achieved something, and now it's like off of your shoulders, and like a huge like tension or frustration is like off guard. So yeah, definitely not off guard, I mean like off of your shoulders. So definitely like amazing, good, okay? So people definitely see that and people love that. So yeah, well, I guess this is all that I have for you guys today. I hope it resonated. If it didn't resonate, you're free to check out the other parts in this reading or check out more videos on my channel. So love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye. Hey guys, those of you who chose pile 3, the blue stone, this is your reading, okay? So what do people love about you? Let's find out. We have the 6 of Pentacles as your overall energy. So people really love your giving and nurturing attitude, that you're always there for others. You always keep others above you. People really appreciate it. People really find that inspiration and motivation. I know I keep saying it in all of the piles, but that's the overall energy that I'm getting. But definitely like people find it to be really abundant too. People love your abundance. And you never boast about you're like really down to earth, and people just find that really amazing about you. So, and you never like fight with anyone. You guys are really calm people as well, I'm seeing, and people really love that, okay? People like that you are someone who's like really someone who thinks of the long term, not of the short term, okay? So with this Ace of Wands over here, this is like at the bottom of the deck. So yeah, I mean, they see you as someone who's like filled with excitement and someone who's like really hopeful for the future. You take leaps of faith, you take the risks, you like embrace new beginnings, because many people don't do that. Many people actually stay stuck in the past, but you actually accept the new changes happening in your society, okay, which is like impossible for other people, like I just said. So just a second, people really like that. So just a second, we have the 3 of Wands. Oh my god, I was just like I was just talking about like future planning, and this came out. People definitely see you as someone who's like really stable. You are a stable personality. You're someone who's like really stable. You're someone who gives. You never like ask for anything. You just stay happy in what you have, which is like really impossible for others, and people really love that attitude of yours. Wow. Okay, and you have hopes for the future. You're like really you're like a risk taker, and you guys are so patient. Like many people are so impatient, which is why they mess up like relationships and friendships. But you're not like that. You wait patiently for other people to reply, or to actually come forward, or to make a decision, which is like really helpful, which like maintains a stable foundation between friends or relationship. You know what I mean, right? So definitely like, wow, so amazing. And you actually are someone who thinks of the long term. Okay, you guys don't think of the short term. It's like you guys are really strong on commitment. Okay, you guys are really committed people, and people really love that, because many people nowadays are really like really flighty. Okay, really flighty, and you're someone who's like really stable, and that's like really new to see. Okay, you guys are really traditional too, is what I'm seeing, and people really like that you respect your culture, you respect your like your religion or something else. Okay, you follow like such rules of your religion, and you portray a really good image. So people really feel inspired, and they want to get to know more about your culture, is what I'm seeing. Okay, so for some of you guys, I was really specific. Okay, just a second, let me get some more cards. So we have the World. This is like amazing. So people feel really fulfilled around you. People see that you guys are just happy in the moment. You guys are like someone who actually achieves happiness in a really short time. You're really easy to please, okay? Is what people see in you. And you're like really optimistic people. People really like that you're so optimistic. You never, complain. Okay, yeah, that's the word, complain. You never complain about what you don't have. You just like appreciate what you have. Many people are unable to do that, but you do that, and people really like that. Okay, so wow, amazing. Just a second. And you're like, you just manage like something worrisome on your own shoulders. You never share it with others, because you don't want to like cause any distress to others, and people see that, and people are like really annoyed. They're like, why can't you let us help you, is what they think. Okay, what they want to tell you. But people also like that energy, that you're like really considerate about others. Okay, you guys are really open to others. You guys trust people easily. Okay, and that's why people are so comfortable in talking to you, which is why people are like really open with you. For some of you guys, okay, you guys might be popular, is what I'm seeing. For some of you guys, people know you. We have the 9 of Pentacles. Wow, okay, you guys are just amazing. You guys are like really successful. You guys are really down to earth. Okay, that's like really rare to find. Wow, who are you guys? So that's like amazing. Just a second. Like, I've never seen such a pile. Like, people really see you as someone who's like really, oh my god, we have the King of Pentacles. Are you kidding me? Like, and we have the Sun again at the bottom of the deck, which is like really weird, because I already channeled it as the bottom of the deck energy a while ago, and this came out again. So wow, you're like a people magnet over here. Okay, so yeah, people really love your down-to-earth nature, your grounded nature. It's like your nature. People love your nature, okay? And they just love your abundant energy. People feel amazing. People feel good in themselves, by themselves, when they're with you, okay? They actually feel really, they miss you when you're not in the room, basically. Okay, they miss you. People miss you, because you're like the lighthouse of your group, or of like the circle of your friends, or just in general, you're like the lighthouse. Okay, because you bring excitement, you bring new opportunities to the table, which is like really hard for others to do. Okay, like many people try to, and you also adjust on other people's opinions. You listen to other people's opinions. Many people are unable to do that. Some of you guys might be animal lovers. Okay, so yeah, wow, you guys are really wise. You guys are really pure. People find it to be really pure personalities. Okay, so wow, amazing. Just a second. And you're open to new opportunities, which many people are not, and that's like really rare. Okay, I'm like legit, that's like so rare to find. We have all tied up. At times you feel really confused, and you have your like imperfections, and people accept it. Okay, People accept your condition. They know that you guys are unable to do something. They don't get irritated. They don't get annoyed. They just understand, like you understand if someone's not available. Okay, that's the energy, which is like really, really sweet. Okay, people find it to be really sweet. People love your sweet attitude. We have the thinking women, so definitely like people find it to be, regardless of your gender, someone who's like really smart, really wise, someone who can guide others. Some of you guys might be into spirituality, okay, but you're really materialistic too, is what I'm seeing. You guys, like, people find it to be really rich, or you just have this rich like vibe, okay, to yourselves. Okay, we have the goddess of the moon, so still people see you as an open book, but still you're so mysterious. Like they just feel like they don't know anything about you, maybe because they didn't ask you anything. They just kept taking from you. They never like asked you about something, so that might be the case for some of you guys. Okay, so definitely like they see you as someone really abundant and they love your abundant energy. Okay, we have door to valley. Are you kidding me? Like, what the hell? People find it to be so abundant, which is so weird. Okay, like, why is this coming out again and again? Some of you guys are like hella rich. Okay, people really love that. Okay, why won't they love that? So just a second. Or maybe a lot of abundance is coming in. They see the potential in you and they are waiting for those money bags to come in, and when you're gonna throw a party or something, or you know, just distribute gifts or something. Okay, that's what they're waiting for some of you guys. Okay, optimism again coming through with the sun card. Like literally that was the like bottom of the deck energy. So, and we have generosity coming through. Okay, so definitely like you guys are optimistic personalities. People love your optimistic attitude, your generous attitude. It's like really rare to find. Like I swear to God, it's really rare. Okay, we have heaven is watching over you, so people see you all like an angel. Okay, like an angel, and you stand up for other people. Okay, you never like back down in helping others, so that's like amazing. Okay, so definitely see you as someone who's like an angel. You're like an angel, okay, for other people. So amazing, right? We have this card again, which came out in pile 2. All right, so again, like you guys are really fair people. You see everyone as an equal personality. Okay, and people actually feel like they need to do something for you because you have done so much that they feel guilty for not doing anything. Okay, we have Habibi. So yeah, just a second, you get another one. Okay, we have Soul Ace. So you guys like never share your problems with others, or even you do it, you share it in a really vague way. You never like go deep into it because you don't want to like stress others about your feelings. So you're like, people see you as someone who's like really cute. Okay, people see you as someone who's like really cute. Some of you guys might be Sag, or you have Sag placements in your chart. Okay, but I'm definitely seeing that people find it to be really down to earth, someone who's like still really fiery, really passionate about what you want to do. It's like you guys are like the whole powerhouse, like I just said. Okay, so just a second. Yeah, so maybe in the past you were harmed in a way in which, you know, you were like giving up on your dreams, but I'm definitely seeing that, and you crave a simple life is also what I'm seeing for some of you guys. Okay, some people might have these toxic energies towards you, but you know, your spirits are telling you that you shouldn't listen to them. Your dreams are valid and you should keep going after them. All right, just, you know, never give up, and people know that you're never gonna give up. That's what I'm saying from the start of this reading, that you never give up. You're always there to, you know, be there for yourselves, which is like really hard for the people to do for themselves. They can't even do anything for themselves. What are they gonna do for others? And you are someone who does for yourself and for others. Right now it's more like, it's more important for you to focus on yourselves because you're focusing too much of your energy on others. So just, you know, calm down and like nourish yourself and like take care of yourself. Okay, stay safe. So yeah, people want you to do that. Basically your friends want you to like take care of yourselves more. Like some of them might have advised you to do so. Okay, but in some cases, so just take whatever resonates. Okay, I always say that. So yeah, Well, I guess this is all that I have for you guys today. I hope it resonated. If it didn't resonate, you're free to check out the other piles in this reading or check out more videos on my channel. So love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye. Hey beautiful souls, those of you guys who chose pile 4, the white crystal, this is your reading, okay? So, or the white stone, sorry. So yeah, definitely like the overall energy of your reading is the Page of Swords. So people really love your ability to be really aware of your surroundings. Like you are aware of everything that is happening around you. You're really aware of what is gonna happen. Some of you guys are psychic, so you're into like spirituality, but I'm definitely seeing that some of you guys are really active on social media. Some of you guys, and people really love your social media. People really love your posts. People admire you is what I'm seeing, okay? And you're really curious. Your curiosity makes you really attractive in other people's eyes. So you're really wanted in society is what I'm seeing, okay? So you're like many people's wish fulfillment is what I'm seeing. Many people wish to have you by their side, okay? Many people have a crush on you is what I'm seeing, which is like new. I didn't get this energy once. I mean, I got it, but not such a strong energy in the other 3 piles. So just a second, let me get some more cards to see what else do people like about you, love about you. All right, we have the 9 of Wands and the 10 of Wands. So people, wow, this is like really weird. Just a second, let me get 2 more cards so I can get a clear view as to what people love about you. People love about you that you try to handle things on your own. Like you never ask for anyone's help. You just try to do it on your own. It's really like really motivational to other people, to some people, because many people, you know, are scared of doing things alone, but you try to manage it on your own. Some of you guys might be really cautious. Yeah, you are really cautious, okay? You like take out predictions, future predictions. You are a really cautious person. You hate making mistakes. You're always on point and you want to stay like right. You hate to lose is also what I'm seeing, okay? For some of you guys, like who doesn't hate to lose? But people definitely see that you guys get triggered when you lose, okay? For some of you guys, so just take whatever resonates, okay? We have the 3 of Wands, okay? And we have the 4 of Wands. Oh my god, you're like a great team worker, but still like you just never disturb others is what I'm seeing. You try to do things and try to manage things on your own, all right, is what I'm seeing. Or it's just that you don't let people in. You don't want to let people know about your secret or about what you're doing, okay? Maybe you have this burden on your shoulders. You feel weighed down, okay? And you have a lot of future planning. You guys plan what you need to do for the future beforehand, because you guys are really cautious people, like I just said, and people like this ability, okay? Because many people act irrationally, which is why they get to face many like disadvantages, many cons in the future, which they haven't even thought of. But you guys are like really, you take a predicted like effects of a certain situation, which is like really easy for you to get away with the cons that are to come in a certain situation happening in the future for you guys. So that's like a really attractive and a really like admirable ability about you, okay, is what I'm seeing. So definitely like with this like 4 of Wands over here, many people crush on you, definitely, like, and they even see you as the perfect material for a wifey or hubby okay, like definitely they see you as someone who's like the perfect candidate of like a stable commitment, okay? So that's like amazing, right? Like wow, many people want you. You guys have a lot of secret admirers, okay? And you don't like to be in this like the center of attention. You like your own privacy is also what I'm seeing. Again, people really like that. People see you as someone who's like really down to earth, really like considerate, okay? Which many people are not. Many people are selfish and you're not that. So definitely. And you guys are really patient people. You guys, you know, never lose hope. You guys always keep believing. You believe in the impossible, which is why you are so successful, or you're gonna get that success that you deserve, because you are qualified for it. You are worthy of what you desire, okay? So yeah, let's just get into the oracle cards, okay? And people see you as a great team worker too. You're like a great team worker, okay? People really like your team, like, you know, team contributor skills. It's like really, motivational. So okay, let's see. We have 4th chakra, Archangel Raphael, and we have Magician and the Mirror. So you guys are master manifestors. Okay, you manifest success into your lives. You also do a lot of self-reflection. You reflect on your mistakes and you try to mend them. You try to not make the mistakes again. Many people ignore their mistakes. They deny it. They don't accept their mistakes, which is why they have to suffer in the near future or the upcoming future. But you guys accept your mistakes and you try to make them right. So that's amazing. And you guys are having this awakening, like your heart chakra awakening. So people really see that your heart chakra is really active. So people really find it really easy to actually, like I just said, many people love you is also what I'm seeing. They are head over heels for you. Many people are obsessed. Okay, why? Oh my god, another marriage card coming through. Some of you guys are married, okay, and you had a lot of choices in your time. Okay, some of you guys are married to someone, and this you are someone who's a really fulfilling wife or a really fulfilling husband or a really good mother or a really good father. You're an inspiration in your society. So we have caring connections. Yeah, people really love your caring nature, your loving nature. And we also have door to value. So definitely people love your abundant vibe that you have to yourself. People really find it really intelligent, really successful, really everything, basically the perfect person. They see you as a perfect person. They see you as perfectionist, literally. Why? This might be a little overwhelming for some of you guys because you guys are not used to being in the spotlight. You try to keep people out, is what I'm seeing. And you do a lot of research. Oh my god, what the hell? So yeah, you do a lot of research and you never we have love over here. So definitely, what was I talking about? Many people have a crush on you. Okay, so people see you as someone who's really loving, who deserves love and the respect. Okay, so we have steady progress. So you guys are trying to, maybe you guys are learning something right now. You guys are just trying to gain some knowledge, or you're doing a course right now. We have speak your truth. So definitely you guys are really honest people. You don't fake it. Okay, you guys are just really, you wear your heart on your sleeves for some of you guys. Okay, but some of you guys are still cautious with those people who are not familiar to you. So we have visions. So you guys are getting visions. Okay, you are getting visions. And people, okay, I'm literally off the topic right now. Shit. Okay, just a second. Yeah, I mean, people really love this sort of, people are seeing what's gonna happen in the future because they know that you guys are gonna be successful. This is really positive. Some of you guys watch the whole video is what I'm saying, because I'm getting really similar messages that I had in the last 3 piles, which is really weird. Some of you guys are watching the whole video. If you are, I love you so much. If you're not, then still I love you. Okay, so yeah, let's just get some more cards, then we will move on to another oracle deck. Okay, so we have miracles. So we definitely see that you're gonna do some sort of a miracle and you're gonna get this really big success in life. So they're waiting for that. They're waiting. Okay, they're waiting for the success. They're waiting to cheer you on. Okay, is what I'm seeing. So you have got some really loyal friends. Okay, over here. So that's amazing. We have preserve. All right, preserve card over here. Okay. We have repurpose. And we have Cancer energy coming through. Some of you guys might be Cancer, or you have Cancer placements in your chart. Okay. We also have Habibi over here. Habibi. Alright, so preserve. You guys are preserving yourselves for the best, is what I'm seeing. Maybe you have a lot of confessions out of people. Maybe you have got a lot of people who have confessed to you about how they feel, and you guys have rejected them for some of you guys, or maybe you are in a relationship. I'm getting mixed messages. So definitely people see you as someone who's really secretive, who is really graceful, really elegant, okay, is what I'm trying to say. And you guys still are not losing hope. You guys are really positive people. You guys never focus on the negative, which is why people like you so much, which is why people love you so much, okay? So yeah, I guess this is all that I have for you guys today. I hope it resonated. If it didn't resonate, feel free to check out the other parts in this reading or check out more videos on my channel. So love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.